Hello everyone. Today we have Dr. Anshika Gandhi. She is All India MDS NEET 2018 rank 9.
Yes, sir.
First of all, congrats.
Thank
Many
you
many
so much,
congrats
sir.
to you.
Thank you so
How
much.
is the feeling after achieving rank 9?
It is very unexpected for me.
Were you a fresher
Yes, I was a fresher.
and you had done
Uh,
BDS from?
Maulana
She
Azad.
is a Molanian rank 9 fresher. And when you have joined DAMS?
I joined DAMS in November.
November.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And I was a regular batch student.
regular batch student.
Yes,
She
sir.
she was a regular batch student. And have you attended all the classes regularly?
I have attended all the classes and even the repeat classes.
And she's even
also.
attended even the repeat classes of some subjects you have attended.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How was the experience of the classes?
Classes were very helpful. The teachers, I would say, they are very hardworking and they cleared our doubts and they built the concepts, I would say.
Because this was basically a concept-based paper.
Very conceptual paper.
Concept-based paper.
Yes.
How many questions you have attempted? Because many students who are going to watch the interview, the first question in their mind is, how much was the attempted question in this exam?
I left 10 questions.
Okay, so you have attempted 230 questions.
230 questions, yes.
And you have left 10 questions.
Yes, sir.
Okay. वो भी नहीं छोड़ने थे. Okay. Have we completed our syllabus on time?
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
Absolutely.
The syllabus was completed on time
On
and
time.
that's why I got the extra time
I
to
guess
study.
by 15th or 10th September, our whole syllabus was
Yes,
over,
sir.
and we have provided at least 2-3 months for revising the
Yes, sir.
syllabus. And after the course completion, we have given you one DVT session.
Yes, sir.
How was the experience of the DVT session?
DVT was really very helpful and all the visuals were shown.
Shown.
And I personally feel that it helped me a very lot.
Okay, okay. That's the faculties, maximum faculties have
Yes.
given their sessions in the DVT.
The biochem DVD, I would say, it was very helpful.
Okay.
At the end, I just went through all the biochem notes only in the DVD session.
Have you used our Facebook club in which we have all the faculties are there?
I would say I was a silent observer
Okay.
there. I
But-
just made a routine to, at the end of the day, I just went through all the posts and all the explanations.
This is what we tell our students, that at least routinely made a habit of at least go through the club for 15-20 minutes daily, because there are some updates, some doubts which have been cleared by the faculties. Everything is there in the club, which we sometimes we miss.
all the
in
new
our class.
updates and all the visuals were put by the faculty there.
Okay. Have you given the CBT exam?
Yes, sir.
CBT mock drill,
Yes,
because
sir.
it is the only exam which we conduct in the dental section before the actual exam. What was your rank in the CBT?
My rank was second. So that
So
really...
she was a rank 2 in CBT, and All India rank is rank 9. So CBT is definitely has
Yes.
given you some edge.
Yes, obviously, yeah. And it really boosts me up and it instilled the confidence that yes, I can do that.
Yes, you can do that. Because it reduces the exam anxiety on the
Yes,
day of
yes.
exam, because already you have given one exam and you are going to give the same exam, like same exercise is there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You use the DAMS cloud.
Yes,
DAMS
sir.
cloud.
All the visuals and all the videos put up by the faculty, it was very helpful.
कुछ ऐसी चीजें are there some things which we have discussed in the club or the sessions which were asked in the exam?
Yes, sir. I would say the visuals put up by Ankit sir.
हाँ.
I would say the as it is questions were there in the
हाँ.
paper also.
Okay. The dental anatomy, dental histology was.
Dental anatomy and dental histology.
It was awesome.
Yes, sir.
How was the teaching experience of dental anatomy? Because we say that he is the #1 teacher in dental anatomy in India.
Ankit sir, and I would also mention about Gaurav Verma
Gaurav
sir.
Verma. So
He-
surgical strikes is again
Yes,
there.
sir.
Right.
He explained all the things so well and he cleared the doubts. I mean, he built up the concepts.
What about the have you when you seen the paper out of 240 questions, were you able to analyze the paper? कि यार ये it is a mixed paper of all the subjects, more or like
It was mixed, but I would say some subjects were given more importance.
more
in the
importance,
exam.
like pharma,
Like pharma, perio, radio,
oral path,
oral paths.
Oral
More
path.
questions were there from
oral
those
path and
subjects.
pharma
Yes,
sections.
sir.
And were you confident enough to attend the questions?
Yes, sir.
You find it
Because
that कि यार ये
paper
तो-
was very conceptual. It was
Conceptual.
not factual. It
हाँ.
was based on concepts.
हाँ.
So if your concepts and your basics are very clear, so the paper is easy for
which
you.
we try to build up in the classes.
Yes, sir.
Right. So
Absolutely.
it was a good feeling after seeing the paper कि यार ये
Yes,
तो
sir.
काफी हद तक किया गया है, इसको ही तो मैं बस अप्लाई करना है यहाँ पे. And what about the study material? Have you used study material?
Study
A slight
material,
amount?
honestly,
Notes follow किए?
इतना नहीं, I really stick to the notes.
हाँ. सब लोग नोट्स पे
नहीं,
स्टिक
notes.
किए हुए थे और
In the
यहाँ आके
end,
स्टक किए
yes,
नहीं.
in the end months, I just keep on revising my notes only.
Revising
That's
the
it.
notes.
Yes.
And any particular message to your juniors that कि एग्जाम के लिए क्या important है और रिवीजन के बारे में कुछ?
Just be consistent in your preparation
Preparation.
and truly believe in yourself that you can do that.
हाँ. The belief and the revision are the important factors
Yes.
for clearing the MDS exam. Thanks a lot, Anshika. It was a good to talk to you. We are very
Thank
happy
you so
for you.
much,
Any
sir.
particular branch or college you are opting for? You are
I
thinking
would
about it?
go back to my own college.
Go back to her
only.
own college, Maulana.
Maulana Azad
Okay.
Mirza.
Okay. So she is Dr. Anshika, rank 9 All India NEET MDS 2018. Thank you, Anshika.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.